Alright, so this is Trust Me from the Huntress CTF 2025 challenge. What we have here is we're given, there's a program called trustme.exe on this Windows desktop. It says it'll give me the flag, but only if I have permissions of trusted installer. If you're using the VPN, you can RDP this challenge with this. What we're going to do is we're going to use the remote desktop connection in Windows. So I recommend doing this challenge. I recommend actually RDPing into it instead of connecting through the browser. And what we're actually going to do is we're going to copy this here. We're going to paste in our computer IP. Go to Show More, and in Local Resources, make sure that you are sharing drives, and you can specify which one, because there's some files that we're going to want to transfer over to this machine, at least for this method of solving this challenge. So what we're going to do is, just for the sake of this, I'm going to now connect as administrator. We're going to connect. Yes, connect. It should prompt me for the password. Oh, I forgot that I have to be on the VPN. Let me actually do that really quick. Yeah, let's connect here. Okay, now it should be fine. If we connect. Okay, it'll prompt me for the password. Yeah, we're not going to connect to Captain. That's the wrong DC. Or I'm sorry, domain, not DC. Okay, so now let's go ahead and connect. And let's let this boot up. So we have here a trustme.exe. If we go ahead and run this, it says, "I don't trust you, I'll give you the flag, but only if you have trusted installer permissions." So trusted installer is an account on the Windows OS that has permissions that are even higher than the administrator account, right? So if my memory serves correctly, the trusted installer account is actually used a lot during like Windows setup, to install files and services that it needs. So what we're going to do is actually look up trusted installer run as, right? And there is this program called run as actual administrator. There is a program called nsudo. So if we look up nsudo, right, this is a fully, what this is a toolkit that will allow you to run programs as a as the trusted installer, right? So what you can do is you can download the if you go to releases, you can download the zip file, all components, and what we're going to do is we just need to drag this onto here, right? So because we shared our drives with this, I'm going to go ahead and go into my downloads, and I'm going to open my downloads, and I'm going to transfer the nsudo, if I can find it here, there it is, onto my desktop, and let that transfer. and we're going to extract it. Extract here. Give that a second. And then go into nsudo launcher and run this batch file. Okay, so now here's the launcher. We want the user to be trusted installer. Enable all privileges. We're going to browse to the desktop for the executable file, trustme.exe, run, and that'll give you the flag. So there you go. So this was the easiest way that I could find of solving this. Apparently, I think other people were talking about other ways to solve this, which I assume would maybe be doing some sort of like a task scheduler to have it run as trusted installer, or change or using the take own method in the command prompt. I tried both. Me personally, I tried both and I could not get it to work. So I don't know if that was something that I was doing, or maybe I don't know what happened. But this is the only way and the easiest way that I could find that worked for me. So pretty cool challenge, and hopefully that makes sense.